Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try it for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Access. Brand Access is kind of belong to the perfume shop in United Kingdom. There is a shop in United Kingdom that they sell perfumes, obviously, and they call themselves the perfume shop. It's quite well known in the United Kingdom. They've been around for at least 30 years, and they have their own line. I think this is their own line, and this one is called Access, and I unboxed and reviewed many of their fragrances before. They are quite good for the price. These are very affordable, very on the very lower price, and obviously they are not groundbreaking, they're not super high quality, but for the price they are quite good. So I paid under £20 for this beauty, and this one's called Access Elegant Man, and is under 100 ml Eau de Toilette. As I said, the only place you can find it is the perfume shop themselves. In other parts of the world you have to do your research, try see if you can find it, and if you find it, how much it goes for. So let's see how it goes. But before I do that, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. Thank you for your likes, thank you for your comments, thank you for your subscription, by the way, it's free. Thank you for your sharing this video with others. If you want to buy me a coffee, invite me to a coffee, you could do that as well. That would be much appreciated. I'll leave it in the link how you could do that. Or you can support me by buying my own fragrances. I'm a perfumer myself. I make my own line of perfumes. They call the scent of Persia. I'm the perfumer, I'm the artist, I'm the worker. There are 20 of them in my lineup. They're all different, they're all unique, they're all artistic, very, very mysterious. They're like time capsule. They take you different places, different times, and they are very, very high quality ingredients for the price. You cannot beat it, and they are very, very unique. You cannot find them anywhere else apart from myself. I live in the link as well. You can find them, but you need to live in United Kingdom in order to do that. Thank you very much, as always. Thank you, and let's go. So simple bottle, sorry, simple box, but as always they are quite nice, and it does a job which is protecting the bottle, and their bottling are quite nice as well. They're on the simple side, but they are quite elegant, simple, classic, nothing to brag about, but it's minimalistic, simplistic. But this is what I like. Give me a simple presentation, but give me a very good juice. I'm happy. If you give me a very over-the-top, elaborate presentation, but you don't give me a good juice, it'd be a waste of money, waste of time, and waste of effort. So this is my philosophy of perfumery. Give me simplest bottle, quite nice and good looking. Nothing to brag about, but it's quite a nice coloring to it. It's blue, and the cap is quite a weight to it, but it's plastic, and the atomizer is modern and silver. And here we go. Quite a good spray for under £20. It gives a mist, which is quite nice. It's not pressurized, but it gives a mist. So how is the Elegant Man by Access 100 ml and the Toilette? And this one is aimed for men. And here we go, first impression. Very nice and refreshing, super fresh, very, very fresh, very friendly, very uplifting, very inviting, very crowd pleasing. I smell many citruses right now. Yeah, definitely bergamot, definitely grapefruits, and a little bit of lime as well to make it very, very interesting and very summery. The base is quite woody. The wood is very, very clean in here, probably most likely to be cedar, and also it's quite rounded, it's quite smooth. Obviously, as I said, this is not the highest quality you get under £20. You don't expect that anyway, but it's very palatable, it's very friendly, it's very nice. It doesn't have that chemical smell to it, doesn't have harshness to it. It's quite rounded and it's quite nicely done, and it's, for the price, the ingredients are quite nice and good. Little bit of fruitiness to it. I'm getting a little bit of apple in here, maybe a little bit of what do you call it? Something fruity like a pear, maybe. It's quite fruity, so it's very fresh. It's very fruity. It's very the citruses are quite massive and are quite fruity. Little bit of amberiness to it, and also quite big on the ambroxing. Overall, what it reminds me of is the original Dior Sauvage. So if you like Dior Sauvage for a very low price, under 20 quid, sometimes you can find under 15 pounds, that is very, very good. So it's very good, inspired by Dior Sauvage, the original, the EDT. It's very similar, it's almost identical to it. Obviously it's not as high quality as Sauvage, but for the price, under £20, it does the job perfectly, which is giving you 90% of the way to Dior Sauvage. Yeah, little bit of pepperiness. It's black pepper coming up now. Little bit of pepperiness, definitely ambroxing, definitely woody, and that citruses are massive, especially the bergamot and the lime. They're very, very big in here. I smell a little bit of vetiver or something green in the background, so it's quite green as well. It's a little bit grassy, little bit green, little bit refreshingly grassy, green, leafy feel to it, but not too much. Overall, the coloring is quite appropriate. It is blue color and is very, very close to Dior Sauvage, the original, and it's quite manly, it's quite refreshing, it's quite fresh. This lineup, majority of the fragrances are nice. They don't, they're not unique, they're not, give you artistic feel or anything like that, but they're quite nice for what they do. And also on the performance side, they are usually on the medium side of things, around 4 to 5 hours. This is my experience, at least, with them. So I'm expecting it to be in the same realm of longevity. If it's anything like that or even better, then we have a bargain on our hand. It's a very good banger, especially if you like Dior Sauvage, the original. Many of you will know I'm not a big fan of Dior Sauvage, but for this price, I don't mind it whatsoever. So I could use it after shower. When I finish my shower, when I finish my bath, I can go heavy on the trigger, and it gets me that refreshing shower jelly, out of the shower feel. Very, very refreshing. So overall, very good for the price, good for the presentation. On the simple and minimalistic side, good, especially for a price under £20. Smell very, very close to Dior Sauvage, the original, or I would say around 80 to 90% similarity to it. It just immediately will take you there. And Dior Sauvage is around £100 for 100 ml. So this is under £20. So you do the math. Overall, yes, for the first impression, first sniff, I liking it. Obviously, it's better suited for warmer weather. This is very, very good for warmer weather. In terms of age, it doesn't have an age, from 15 to 150, same as Dior Sauvage. Very crowd pleasing, very people pleaser. It's probably will garner you attention and maybe compliment, but you have to go a little bit heavy on the trigger, because obviously this is Eau de Toilette. And again, in the next video I'll let you know the development, the longevity and things like that. But for now, very, very good for what I paid, and what I got is excellent. Maybe not excellent, but good. Okay guys, if you have it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell good, and they are hidden gem. If you want to purchase one of my own perfumes, I'll leave them in the link as well. You need to be in the United Kingdom in order to purchase them. They are out of this world, super artistic, ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money. They are very, very artistic, very unique, mysterious, and I'll leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye, bye, bye.